I am saying the truth. I did not invite him. I did not let him in. He forced himself inside.
The crocodile theatres will not help you. Who invited that classless doctor here? Who?
I swear on my life. In fact, I swear on my mother's grave. I did not invite him. I had a knock on the door. I opened the door and he forced himself inside.
Really?
Yes, ma.
You didn't invite him?
Yes, ma.
Okay. So, what were you people talking about?
Nothing, no. We're not talking about anything. I was telling him to go before you came in. Yes, ma.
Mom, you see? I told you that this girl has graduated into so many things.
Hey.
Stop underestimating her. Now see what is happening. Look at it!
I swear, I'm telling you the truth. I know.
So you now lie to me?
No, I cannot lie to you.
You flaunted my instructions. And you let him in.
He forced himself.
He forced himself. I see. You want to bite the fingers that are feeding you.
No, ma.
You know what?
Please.
That your witchcraft will not work. Yes. You want to use witchcraft and turn Kingsley away from marrying my daughter. Now you have to leave. Ozbo. Leave my house. Here's your transport. And have a safe trip. One.
Ma, please. I don't have anywhere to go to, ma. Please. Please, forgive. Help me. I don't know. I don't even know what I've done wrong. Please.
No. You don't know what you have done wrong, eh? You don't know what you have done. Oh yes, get out. You heard her. Mona,
help me, beggar.
Go back to your useless village.
Please.
Okay, you're still waiting.
Please.
Mama. Get out! Get out. Go back to where you're coming from. Go back to your useless village.
Please, I beg you.
Husband snatch.
I don't have anywhere to go to. Please.
What are you still waiting for?
I beg you.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.